Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video just to announce the winner of the giveaway that I did on my Turnigy Evolution Pro video. Now this was from a couple of weeks ago and the instructions were pretty straightforward. All you had to do was a couple of things. You had to subscribe, you had to like the video and also leave a comment. So thank you to everybody that got involved with this and were part of the spirit of the channel and left some great comments. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy all of the details into a random comment picker. There'll be less comments than this in the actual random comment picker. I replied to a few people. There's a couple of duplicate comments as well. So what we're going to do is cut and paste the address into the random comment picker, load them all up, scroll down to the bottom, hit start the raffle and pick the random winner. And the winner is Moog FPV. Sorry if I've just completely destroyed that name. Let's have a very quick look at the channel. Is this somebody that's already into FPV? Oh yes, definitely. So congratulations to Moog FPV. Pop me your address details on an email to lee@painless360.com and I'll get the radio out to you and you can try it out. Commiserations to everybody else who had a go, but please do make sure you're subscribed and have the bell notification icon selected, as there will be other giveaways coming soon. Congratulations again to Moog FPV. It means now that you have a spare radio for when your current one wears out. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlist around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.